Hello everybody, I hope you're well. Today I've decided I'll be making pancakes. I know it isn't pancake day, however I wanted to try and make pancakes using an alternative ingredient. So instead of using flour, we'll be using oats. And the reason why I'm doing this is because flour is very high in carbohydrates. So eating a lot of this food group will cause us to gain weight. If you're someone who works out and is active, then it may not affect you as much. But at the moment, a lot of us are stuck at home and aren't moving around as much because of the lockdown. So I thought it might be good to use oats as an alternative. This is very high in protein and is very good for muscle growth. There are many different ingredients I'll be using today to make our pancakes, and I'll show you what they are. So that's it. Thank you for watching my video. And there we have it, pancakes. You can experiment with a variety of different ingredients and toppings. You may want to add sugar and lemon, syrup, or even chocolate spread. It's totally up to you. Anyway, I hope you've all enjoyed yourselves. Give it a go and opt for the healthier alternative.